Good day, sir. My name is Hui Han. Today, I will talk about the fundamental computer network assignment. First, I will do the introduction for our assignment. We will be assigned to develop the local area network call lines and network configuration based on the scenario shown in this slide. In this table, we have the number of hosts required and the different department names that given by the New Millennium University and NU. For example, the chancellery need the 196 hosts required, and the bursary and administration department need for the 187 hosts required, and so on. Next, we will discuss the digital resource that we have used in our assignment. First is the Discord. The Discord is the famous communication platform. We use it to communicate each other. We can use it to discuss our assignment progress in real time. Next is Google Doc that can share among the group member. The auto-save feature of Google Doc enable all of us can know immediately when any changes. The last resource we use it is packet traces from CISCO. It can use to configuring device, assigning IP address, also testing the connectivity. Next, I will discuss the network design. This slide shows the subnet table before growth that we have do in our assignment. First, we need to know how we can calculate the MAC host. The MAC host is related to the host required. In the table, we can know the chancellery host required is 196, and the maximum host must bigger than the host required. So we can get the 2 power of x equal to 256, and it will become the maximum host for the chancellery. After calculate the maximum host, we can calculate the CIDR. How we calculate the CIDR is we use the 32 minus 8 equal to 24. The 32 is come from the maximum base is 32, and the x it come from the power of 8 just now we use in the maximum host. So the answer is 32 minus 8 and equal to 24. After calculating the CIDR, we can do the first usable. How the first usable we can know is come from the network address. We use the network address plus 1, so we can get the first usable. After done the first usable, we can calculate the broadcast address. The broadcast address we use is we know that chancellery max host is 256, so we must run 256 from the network address 10.0.0.0, run the 256, and the broadcast address will become the 10.0.0.255. After we calculate the broadcast address, we can know the last US bus. Because the last US bus, we can use the broadcast address to -1, and we can get the last US bus answer. After done the all chancellery calculation, we can continue our second department, bursary and administration, and it will start from the network address 10.0.1.0. After it, we will discuss the subnet table after growth 35%. After growth it, our department chancellery host required will become bigger and chain it. And our max host also will become chain it. Why our max host is 512? Because our host required already changed to 265 is the bigger number, so we cannot use 2 power of 8 equal to 256 because it is smaller than the 265, and we must use the 2 power of 9 equal to 512, and it is bigger to the 265. So it becomes the max host. It becomes the new max host from the department chancellery. Okay. After we discuss the max host, after we know the max host, we can also discuss the CIDR. CIDR is used the same way to calculate is 32 minus 9 equal to 23, and the 9 comes from the just now we use the 2 power 9 with the max host. Okay. After do the CIDR, we can know the first usable. The first usable is come from the network address with +1, so we can get our first usable answer. After done the first usable, we can do the broadcast address. The broadcast address is different. It's because we can know the maximum host is 512, and the maximum address is the 255. So the 252, so the 512 is already maximum for the 255. So we use the 512 to divide the 256 and get the answer 2. So why we write it 1.255? Because 1255 plus 255 is become the 2255. Okay, for example, when the answer we divide is when the answer we already divide is the 8, the broadcast case will become the 10.0.7.255. It's meaning the 7255 plus 1255 is become the 8255. Okay, after we calculate the broadcast address, we already can know our last usable answer. It's also use the broadcast address to -1, so we can get the last usable. After done all the calculation for chancellery, we can continue our bursary administration department. It starts from the 10.0.2.0 network address. Okay, that's all for my part. Then I will pass it to my group mate to do the next explanation.
Hello everyone, I'm Yakshiki from DFD2 Group 20. Today I will be demonstrating how to configure a network device and set up connection between a router, switch, and PC using Packet Tracer. First, we need to open the Packet Tracer, and then I will choose either one device to show you how to set the hostname and password. To enter the privilege exit mode, just type enable, and then go over configuration mode, config D. And now I will set the hostname set S2, and then set a banner MOTD authorized access only. Next, I will show you how to set the password. Enable password CL833 and encrypt the password. Service password encryption. And then I also will set the secret password AACS2034 and then set the line console to, and then the VTY line also. Log in. Exit. This is the setting hostname and password part. Now I will show you how to connect between router, switch, and PC. First, I start from router first. Click router and then CLI. Click enter. Password. Enable. And then secret password. And then config T. Okay. Now I will start to link IP address interface. Choose the FA90. I will choose for the sensory department. So the cable line is FA9/0. Okay. And then IP address 10.0.0.1 255.255.254.0 is the subnet mask. And then remember to type no shutdown to save this. That's it. Then remember to copy run start. Next, I will show you the switch interface to configuring the main switch first. Okay. For the switch, we need to use VLAN 1. The IP address must different from router, so IP address 10.0.0.2 and the subnet mask. No shutdown. Exit. And also link for the IP for the default gateway. IP default gateway 10.0.0.1. So where we get the default gateway is from the router. Router we set the IP address just now, so it's 10.0.0.1. And then remember to copy run start. For the secondary switch, also the same. Interface VLAN 1, IP address. Set another IP address. Subnet mask the same. And then no shutdown. Exit. And then also set IP default gateway 10.0.0.1. Okay, and copy run start. Next is for the PC part. PC is more easier. Just click on the IP configuration and then set the IP address, set a new IP address, and then the subnet mask the same, and then the default gateway. Remember to set the default gateway to link to the router. Now I will show you how to check that every router and switch is. For testing connectivity, we can choose PC0 and then type command prompt and then write ping temp and ping the router 0.0.0.1. It's no request timeout, so it's ping successful. You ping all, so just ping 10.0.0.2. Okay, it's also ping successfully. In summary, we have configured the router, switches, and PC with unique IP address and connected them in packet tracer. So this is the basic setup forms the foundation of a functional network. Thank you for your attention. This is all our assignment. Thank you.